Vanni put his tent in the car. Kevin packed the cooler, Crowman's brought cigars. Let's hit the road cause we gotta go far. Camping with the dudes, sleeping underneath the stars. You wanna go camping? Camping with a trio of dudes. Buckle up, we're going camping. Kevin, Vanni, Crowman, yeah. And Father Kevin's fishing in the creek. Caught a couple big ones, gonna cook 'em up to eat. And Vanni's out there gathering sticks. Crowman's starting the fire, but he's not going very quick. So join our little trip. Wanna go camping?